Now, if you're watching this video, it means that you want to take the GMAT or you're just doing your research on what the GMAT is about. You're in the right place. Stick with me. Hey darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are new here, also welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell to become a part of my community. My name is Nthanda Manduwi, a digital creator and media entrepreneur from Malawi, currently based in Manhattan, New York. Over the past 10 years, I've been able to build what was a simple lifestyle blog into a six-figure business. Hey darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nthanda Manduwi, a digital creator from Malawi, currently based in Manhattan, New York. So I have been preparing to take the GMAT exam, and I actually did recently take the GMAT exam. And one of the things I did when preparing for the GMAT was to get the full package of the GMAT Official Prep. Yes, the full package. So just a brief background, the GMAT Official Prep is a pool of resources provided by the GMAC Council, given to you to give you a better understanding of the GMAT exam, what the format is, and real examples that are almost similar, identical really, to how the GMAT exam comes to be. So these resources are provided to you to help you better prepare for the GMAT exam leading up to your exam day. In this video, I will share a step-by-step guide on how you can utilize the GMAT Official Prep to help you get a better grade in your GMAT exam. So first things first, when you want to access the GMAT Official Prep, you have to go to mba.com. So go to mba.com and you register and you create an account. You won't need to have an email to be able to create your mba.com account. Once you log in, explore the available resources. There are so many resources. The package that I got is the full package, but they're segmented and fragmented resources that you have. The most important one is you have the official guide. So you have the official ebook that tells you what the GMAT exam is and how it is operationalized. Then I'm going to go through the full list of things you get in the official GMAT prep, and I'm going to tell you which ones were the most useful to me and which ones you can probably tap into and want to utilize. So you get the official GMAT quantitative practice as a package. You get the GMAT official analytical writing assessment practice. You also get the GMAT official practice questions in general. You get the GMAT official practice questions 2. You get the GMAT official integrated reasoning practice. The GMAT official practice exams 1 and 2, which are 3, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. And above that, you get the GMAT official advanced questions. And there's also the official advanced questions online bank, which has a myriad of questions that you can utilize. There's also the Quant Review 2022 ebook that you can utilize. And there are specific verbal, quant integrated reasoning, specific online banks of questions that you can be able to access. So I talk at length about some of the tips that you can utilize to get a better GMAT score in my previous video that's going to be linked up above. But in this video, I want to talk about these resources and how I use them in my own preparation and which ones I found the most useful. The first is the guide, obviously, because you have to understand the exam. So the guide gives you a very great understanding of what the exam is and how to better prepare and what you need to know about the exam. Now, when you get into the introductory package that's offered on mba.com, and I believe this is free to access to all, there is a diagnostics test, baseline test to show you how you're doing, especially with the principles before you start even studying. And I think that will show you where you fare in comparison to other people and how you can improve yourself. So I found that so useful, especially the official guide and then the diagnostic test at the beginning. So definitely do utilize the resources that are available for free on mba.com. Now, a second thing that I found so useful was the online banks. And I wish I had utilized them more, and I intend to use them a lot more, especially as I'm preparing to retake the exam. You get almost, I think, 400 questions in every online bank. So you get to practice, and it's kind of, this is not standardized. I will get to tell you the difference between the online banks and the practice questions and the practice exams. This kind of have different layouts. The online banks just give you the questions, and you can just kind of practice by taking the question, answering, reviewing, and all of that, which I think is really helpful. The online banks, I think, didn't give me as much room for review as much as the practice questions that are part of the practice test. There is a website that I found, I can't remember right now, but I'm going to put it up here, that I would just copy the entire question and go to the website, and people are discussing how to navigate that question, and I found that so useful. So I found that matching that and that website was really, really helpful for me. So do review your answers to make sure that you're getting your answers correct. and you're doing the right thing, and also learn just the tips and tricks that exist for you out there. Another thing that I found so helpful was taking the full length exams. Again, because of how busy I was at work, I did not get to take all the lengths of exams. I shared in my previous video how you can take even upwards of 10 practice exams before you take your actual exam, and I think this really helps you to understand also how you time yourself, how you can better take the exam, and which parts are your strengths and which parts are your weaknesses. And the beauty of the official GMAT practice exam is, having taken the actual exam, is they're quite similar, almost identical in format. So as it is in the practice exam is exactly how it would be in the actual exam. Also try to simulate the test conditions. I think for me it really helped me, simulating the test conditions, getting just to sit down for 3 hours and just going at it. I know it's not the same when you're taking the exam, you still kind of pause here and there, but it really did help me to get a better understanding of how the exam will be, especially with the practice exam. So definitely do stay consistent and utilize these resources. They're really helpful. The online question banks are amazing. The practice questions, get into them and get into the understanding, and the official practice exams are super amazing to be able to get a better grade. I really highly recommend them, and I would recommend that you take them when you're preparing to take your GMAT exam. I hope you found this information helpful. In the next video, I'll be talking about how I incorporated the official GMAT prep materials in my actual study plan. I've talked a little bit about that, but I'll go a bit further into detail in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so you can become a part of the community. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until then, stay kind. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Subscribe to my newsletter so you can get a weekly dose of entrepreneurship, lifestyle, and self-care insights so we can glow and grow together. Follow me on social media so we can stay in touch. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until then, stay kind.